Hello and welcome to part 5. We're at the stage now that we're soon going to look at the various reports that Focus Lite has to offer, but before we do, I wanted to show you a couple more features that aid in the compilation of the reports. I'd initially like to show you how Focus Lite can be configured for different user access status. So enter the Systems tab, User Setup. Here we can see a list of events within Focus. Each user can be individually configured to specific tasks. For example, a set user may be allowed to view a timesheet but not edit it. Here we go. View can be ticked, but edit is obviously unticked. Other items we can restrict or indeed allow are the running and restoring of backups and registering/removing new or old employees. We can also restrict a user's access to only be able to view and edit timesheets from specific groups. So, a department manager might only be able to see employees in their own department, for example, rather than the whole company. We can also restrict a user to view certain specific reports and only have the option of specified absence reasons at their disposal, rather than the whole range. Finally, for this section, upon user accessibility, if we enter the System Setup page, this is where we can set some of the primary global parameters of Focus. We can click on the Printers tab. We can now select any number of printers, perhaps specifically network printers. You will now notice how a Fire button appears on the menu bar. Let's just go with one of these. And Fire report on the menu bar, here we go. When the button is clicked, an evacuation roll call report will be sent to all printers we have previously defined. This is just one of a number of different ways of producing a fire evacuation report, including an option where it is generated automatically from a clocking terminal, rather than through the internal Focus software. And so this concludes part 5. In section 6 we will actually start working through the variety of reports available to us through Focus.